Namubiru spent a better part of the day at Wandega police station where she has been grilled over the allegations that she injected infected blood into one of the children who belongs to one of the customers of the hospital.
Oh, good.
At around 5:30 p.m., Namubiru emerged from the interrogation room, oblivious to our cameras which were rolling. Namubiru was arrested on 7th January after the parents of the 2.5-year-old allegedly saw her draw out her own blood with a syringe. Out of reflex action and fear for publicity, she immediately attempted to protect her face and ran away. According to detectives, Namubiru first denied having HIV, but during a search at her home on Entebbe Road, antiretroviral drugs were found. This prompted police to take her for an HIV test. Her results turned out positive. Amid the dramatic scenes at the police station, I tried to ask Namubiru about what went wrong. In English, what happened?
They got the medicine from mild May, prophylaxis, and they gave the kid. And then somebody, I think, from the family called CPS, and they came for me on Tuesday evening.
So what happened basically? What were you doing?
I was giving an injection, and as I was going in, the child was fighting. The thing pricked me. Then I put a swab and a strapping. Then I went back and they injected the drug in the kid.
But because I'm wondering, like in terms of medical practice, when you make a mistake and maybe you prick yourself accidentally, are you not supposed to maybe do something to ensure that maybe you don't use? You lost your head?
My head.
Sure.
I apologize for that because I have no grudge against him.
It is further alleged that Namubiru would inject the blood she had drawn out of her body into children or unsuspecting patients. More often than not, some people tend not to pay much attention when a nurse prepares to inject or put patients on drips or IVs. On the fateful day, sources privy to the ongoing investigation told NTV that the personnel doctor for the child was aware, thus referring them to Namubiru. Police later took Namubiru to Victoria Medical Center in search of documents, which include her appointment letter. It is alleged that Namubiru is not a qualified nurse and does not have an appointment letter. So why was she allegedly involved in handling patients? We tried our best to get a comment from the management of Victoria Medical Center, but our efforts were rendered futile because the management or the personnel are not willing to give a comment at the moment. Sudil Biarhanga, NTV, Lumumba Avenue.